The side lunge is an exercise for developing hip mobility while strengthening the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes muscles in your legs. You don't need any additional equipment for this exercise. Begin standing and take your legs out wide with your knees and toes turned out to about 10 and 2 o'clock. Stand tall and bring your hands up in front of your chest. To do this exercise on one side, turn your toes on one leg forward. Then push your hips back as you bend the same side knee. Keep your other leg straight and push your hips as far back as your flexibility allows. You should feel a stretch in the inner thigh of your straight leg. Then return back to the starting position by squeezing your glutes and quads as you bring your hips back forward and stand tall. Back and forth is 1 repetition to one side. When you complete the recommended number of repetitions on one leg, return to standing and turn your toes back out to 10 and 2 o'clock. Then turn your other leg forward and repeat this movement on the other side for the same number of repetitions. Keep a neutral spine and your shoulders down away from your ears throughout this exercise. To add resistance to this exercise and make it more challenging, you can wrap a resistance band under the foot of the working leg and hold that resistance band with your hands as you perform the exercise. Or you can hold a hand weight in a goblet position in front of your chest. Check out the description below for links to those 2 exercises. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.